So very good morning students once again, and we are going to complete series 7 का third और fourth part. Continue करेंगे 751 question से. Identify the appropriate reason for the formation of Swaraj Party from the options given below. Wanted members to Congress to return to council politics. Wanted members Congress to ask for Puran Swaraj. Wanted members to Congress to ask for Dominion status. Wanted member Congress to oppose the Simon Commission. So council politics पे वापस आने के लिए एक स्वराज पार्टी का अलग से गठन किया गया था. Study the picture and answer the question that follows. Which of the following aspect best signifies this image of Germania, heroism and justice? Which one of the following is an example of cultivable wasteland? Gross cropped area, uncultivable land, barren wasteland, current fallow land. कल्टिवेबल वेस्टलैंड दैट मीन्स जिसपे एग्रीकल्चर किया जा सकता है लेकिन इस वक्त वो खाली पड़ी हुई है. सो करंट फैलो लैंड. कंप्लीट द फॉलोइंग टेबल विद द करेक्ट इंफॉर्मेशन विद रिगार्ड टू कल्टिवेशन ऑफ राइस. राइस के लिए एनुअल रेनफॉल रिक्वायर्ड 100 सेंटीमीटर या इससे ऊपर भी होती है. क्रॉपिंग सीजन खरीफ में इसको उगाया जाता है. खरीफ सीजन जो कि आपका ऑनसेट ऑफ मॉनसून के साथ शुरू होता है. एंड टेम्परेचर रिक्वायर्ड इज 25 to 35 डिग्री सेल्सियस. ये पिक्चर आपकी आउटकम ऑफ डेमोक्रेसी चैप्टर में से है. विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग ऑप्शन बेस्ट सिग्निफाइज द कार्टून? डिमांड फॉर सेपरेट स्टेट फ्रॉम डेमोक्रेटिक गवर्नमेंट. Democratic government is facing territorial issues with the bordering states. Democratic government is coping with the multiple pressure through accommodation. क्योंकि जो आपकी डेमोक्रेसी है उससे जब एक लेवल पे एक्सपेक्टेशन पूरी होती है लोगों की तो दूसरे लेवल पे आपकी एक्सपेक्टेशन नई एक्सपेक्टेशंस आ जाती है. तो डेमोक्रेसी जो है उस स्ट्रेस और प्रेशर को बेयर करते करते हर चीज का सॉल्यूशन प्रोवाइड करने की कोशिश करती है. Next question. Which of the following statement defines sustainable development? Sustainable use of natural resources without considering the need of future generation. It means utilization of natural resources by past, present and forthcoming future generation. It means utilization of natural resources by past, present and forthcoming generation to meet the needs of future generation even if the needs of present generation go unmet. Present generation fulfill its need while considering the need of future generation as well. So this is the best option. B. Which of the following profession belongs to tertiary sector? Fisherman, farmer, factory worker. Fisherman, farmer, primary sector. Factory worker, secondary, and teacher is tertiary sector. Next question. Find the incorrect option. Demand deposit shares the essential feature of money. Yes, it does. With demand deposits, payments can be made without cash. Yes. Demand deposits are safe way of money transformation. Yes. Demand deposit facility is like check. No. Demand deposit is not a check. Check different होता है, demand deposits अलग होते हैं. Arrange the following in correct sequence. Transporting cloth to the workshop, sales in the shop and showroom, spinning the yarn, weaving the fabric. सबसे पहले धागा बनता है, that is yarn. उसके बाद उससे कपड़ा बुना जाएगा, फिर उसको ट्रांसपोर्ट किया जाएगा अलग अलग जगहों पे और फिर उसको बेचा जाएगा सेल्स इन द शोरूम एंड शॉप्स में. सो 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2. All right. Next, in question assertion reason. Okay, assertion क्या है? Not every good or service that is produced and sold needs to be counted to know the total production in each sector. The value of final goods are already included in the value of intermediate goods. Both are correct and R is correct explanation of A. So A will be the answer. Rita has taken a loan of rupees 7 lakh from the bank to purchase a car. The annual interest rate on loan is 14.5% and loan is to be repaid in 3 years in monthly installments. The bank retained the papers of new car as collateral which will be returned to Rita only when she repays the entire loan with interest. Analyze the loan information given above considering one of the following correct option. मोड ऑफ रीपेमेंट, टर्म्स ऑफ क्रेडिट, इंटरेस्ट ऑन लोन, डिपॉजिट क्राइटेरिया। कितना लोन, कितने रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट पे, कैसे वापस किया जाएगा, कितने टाइम पीरियड के लिए इंस्टॉलमेंट्स बनेगी, क्या कोलेटरल्स दिए जाएंगे, ये सारी चीजों को इकट्ठा एक टर्म दिया जाता है जिसे कहते हैं टर्म्स ऑफ क्रेडिट। दैट मीन्स किन शर्तों पे आपको लोन मिलेगा, टर्म्स ऑफ क्रेडिट। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, how was Rowlatt Act in 1919 perceived in terms of fundamental rights and civil liberties by Indian? It was viewed as regressive legislation in the favor of majority Indians. Regressive legislation in the favor of majority Indians. It was considered as severely curtailing the rights of personal liberty. So this is the correct option. It was seen as necessary measure to prevent communal tension. It was regarded as a safeguard for protecting British soldiers. Wrong. Considered as severely curtailing the rights and personal liberty. Ankur, a resident from Rajasthan, decided to install a submersible water pump in his house, capable of extracting groundwater from depth of 250 to 300 meter. This practice of installing similar pump is becoming increasingly popular across the state. Which of the following will which of the following will this growing practice most likely lead to? कि हर आदमी अगर अपने घर में सबमर्सिबल पंप्स लगाने लग जाएगा तो क्या होगा? डिक्लाइन इन ग्राउंड वाटर क्वालिटी, क्वालिटी पे कोई असर नहीं पड़ेगा. रिड्यूस द मॉनसून वाटर रिसोर्सेज, रॉन्ग. इंक्रीज नंबर ऑफ वाटरबोर्न डिजीजेस, रॉन्ग. वाटर स्कार्सिटी रिजल्टिंग फ्रॉम एक्सेसिव यूटिलाइजेशन. अंडरग्राउंड वाटर एक्सेसिवली यूज हो रहा है, उसको रिप्लेनिश होने का टाइम नहीं मिलेगा, वाटर अंडरग्राउंड लेवल वाटर जो है कम हो जाएगा. इज इट क्लियर? सो स्कार्सिटी ऑफ वाटर हो जाएगी एक्सेसिव यूटिलाइजेशन की वजह से. Which method of energy production is environmentally friendly and practical for powering homes across regions in India? So best है solar panel energy का जो system है वो सबसे best है. Coal fired, coal already limited resource है. Nuclear power plants no. Diesel generator already एक limited resource है. So solar panels जो है best option है. Reena, a 28-year-old woman from marginalized community, is uneducated but apt at making traditional handicrafts. Her family toils hard to afford 2 square meals every day. Accordingly, which development objective would be the most crucial for improving Reena's and her kin's well-being? गरीब है, अनएजुकेटेड है, लेकिन कुछ आर्टिफैक्ट्स बनाने में माहिर है, तो किस तरीके की हेल्प जो है उसके लिए बेनिफिशियल हो सकती है? इंक्रीजिंग एक्सेस टू क्लीन एनर्जी इन रीनाज कम्युनिटी, रिड्यूसिंग द इम्पैक्ट ऑफ क्लाइमेट चेंज इन रीनाज कम्युनिटी, creating more training opportunity for Reena and other artisans, ensuring that Reena has the same right and opportunity in the men in the community. आपको उनकी ट्रेनिंग्स जो है उनको देनी चाहिए, और ताकि उनकी जैसे और उनकी कम्युनिटी के लोग जो है वो सेल्फ हेल्प ग्रुप के थ्रू या अपने स्किल को डेवलप करके आगे बढ़ सके. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, देयर आर 2 स्टेटमेंट्स गिवन बिलो मार्क्ड एज असर्शन एंड रीजन. ओके, असर्शन क्या है? पावर शेयरिंग कैन हेल्प टू प्रिवेंट कॉन्फ्लिक्ट इन द सोसाइटी. करेक्ट है. पावर शेयरिंग इंश्योर्स दैट डिफरेंट सोशल ग्रुप्स आर इंक्लूडेड इन डिसीजन मेकिंग process, reducing marginalization and fostering inclusivity. Power sharing can prevent conflicts in the society. Obvious सी बात है, conflict कब avoid होते हैं? जब सबको decision making का हिस्सा बनाया जाता है. So both R and A is true and R is correct explanation of A, right? In an Indian state, communities X and Y have been engaged in long-standing conflict over issues of coexistence and resource sharing. The tensions have intensified, leading to a demand from both communities for self-administration. What is the best resolution of this conflict? Collapsing present government, delaying the demand of self-administration, imposing strict regulation of control and movement and interaction, establishing a power sharing arrangement where both communities have role of decision making. जहां भी conflict avoid करना है, power sharing is the most imperative step. Next question: which of the following is a definite indicator of successful implementation of democratic governance? Free economy dedicated to market forces, dictated by market forces, provision of basic amenities to the citizen, establishment of central financial institution, establishment of institution to protect the people's right. Obviously there are two statements. Okay. Assertion: self-help groups are instrumental in promoting economic democracy. Yes. Reason: they contribute to more equitable distribution of economic power and opportunity. Both A are true and R is also the correct explanation of A. So C will be the answer. दोनों statements सही है और assertion की proper reasoning भी सही है. Globalization is the increasing interaction, interconnectedness of the world through the flow of goods, services, capital, ideas, and people. Which of the following example represents globalization? Online advertising portal for goods sold by local vendors run by Indian government. An IKEA store in Bengaluru selling products manufactured in China. Traditional Vietnamese market selling handicrafts. Sunday market selling grocery. Obviously बेंगलुरु का स्टोर जो कि चाइना मेड प्रोडक्ट्स बेच रहा है. Indian masses willingly participated in the civil disobedience movement despite the challenges faced during non-cooperation movement. Accordingly, which of the following quotes best reflects the outlook of the masses? Great glory in living lies not in never falling but in rising every time we fall. Right? जब तक हमारा टारगेट अटेन नहीं होगा हम तब तक लड़ते रहेंगे, नो मैटर हम कितनी बार हारे या गिरे. There are two statements given below about the print revolution marked as assertion and reason. Read their statements and choose the correct option. Assertion क्या है? Distribution, application and preservation of knowledge were fundamentally altered with the invention of printing. Printing enabled intellectuals to produce, comment on and evaluate texts which spread as ideas across Europe. Distribution, application and preservation of knowledge were fundamentally altered with the invention of printing. Alter नहीं किया गया था. Right? So A is false, R is true. Which of the following is primary factor which contributed to the emergence of multiple political parties at the same level in India? Multiple political party. Federal political system, varied economic conditions, linguistic and regional diversity, low levels of literacy and political awareness. It is linguistic and regional diversities. Next, which of the following policy decisions by the central government could potentially serve as a trade barrier? Strengthening export subsidies, simplifying custom procedures, implementing higher tariffs on import, promoting fair trade practices globally. Implementing higher tariffs on import. Tariffs means taxes. जब आप decision by central government could potentially serve as a trade barrier. Trade barriers जब आप लगाना चाहते हो तो trade barriers आप लगाते हो अपने जो कंट्री में इंपोर्ट किया जा रहा है उस पे हेवी टैक्सेस लगाकर. Is it clear? Then in the representative democracy, which of the following best describes the role of elected representative? Leaders का क्या role रहता है? They have absolute power and authority to make decisions without consulting public. They are accountable to the public and make decisions on behalf of their constituents. They act as a mere figurehead. They serve lifetime appointments. Lifetime कहाँ होती है? 5 साल के लिए होती है सिर्फ. So they are accountable to the public and make decisions on behalf of their constituents. What will be the top priority in the development goal of a landless laborer? Landless laborer जिसके पास जमीन नहीं है काम करने के लिए. More days of work and better wages. Obviously, what will be the aspiration of an educated urban unemployed youth? Educated urban unemployed youth का क्या aspiration रहेगा? An urban educated unemployed will aspire for good job opportunities where his education can be made use of. Right? Next question. ये random questions हैं अब. Pick out the correct meaning listed below to define average income. Average income क्या होती है? Average income is same as per capita income. Clear? Which country can be considered as developed country in the modern world? Select your answer from the following statements. Countries which have accumulated huge amount of wealth and always secures the future of their citizen, these countries are considered to be developed. Countries which are among the highest in the human development index are considered to be developed countries, right? Only rich countries are considered to be developed because people have money to buy everything needed for human being, both material and non-material. Iran is a country rich, therefore it is developed. Wrong. So option B. Next, money cannot buy all the goods and services that we may need to have a good life. List of things required for a good life is given below. Which among the following are the things money cannot buy? Full protection from infectious disease, high quality education, luxury home, pollution free atmosphere in every part of the country. 1 and 4. Right? Full protection from infectious disease and pollution free environment. Obviously, 1 and 4. HDI stands for Human Development Index that focuses on fill in the blank with one of the following option. Life expectancy, gross enrollment ratio for 3 levels of schooling, national income, all the above. ये सब कुछ HDI index जो है focus करता है. Life expectancy, that means health. Gross enrollment ratio, that means education. And national income, obviously income तो सबसे important criteria है ही. तो all the above. Next question. Kerala has low infant mortality rate. What could be the reason? Kerala has low infant mortality rate because all the girls are trained at primary level of schooling to look after the newborn child. Because most of the girls are nurses in Kerala. Kerala's good climatic condition. Because Kerala has higher female literacy rates and adequate health facilities are available for both mother and children. Is it clear? उनकी literacy levels बहुत ज़्यादा है. फीमेल्स भी अच्छी पढ़ी लिखी हैं तो वो खुद की और बच्चे की दोनों की ही केयर अच्छे से करते हैं. और क्योंकि पढ़े लिखे लोग हैं ज़्यादा वहाँ पे तो मेडिकल फैसिलिटीज भी अच्छी अवेलेबल है. Pick out the causes from below that enhance environmental degradation. Planting of trees, prevention of factory waste getting mixed up with the river, ban on use of plastic bags. ये सब तो अच्छे measures हैं. Environmental degradation किससे बढ़ती है? Allowing increase in the level of exhaust fumes emitted by the cars, buses and trucks. जो vehicular pollution है उसकी वजह से. Next, which of the following occupation cannot be included in primary sector? Agriculture, fishing, mining, money lending. Yes. So D. GDP stands for gross domestic product. What does it shows? Pick the correct statement given below. It shows how big is the economy of the country in a given period in terms of its total. It shows what the total product of the country in a given year without counting country's total resources. It shows the number of people involved in production in a particular year. It shows the total value of trade transaction of a country in a particular year. Yes, total value of trade transaction एक particular time period के बीच में. Choose one correct statement from the following. Underemployment occurs when people are not willing to work, that is unemployment. When people are working slowly, when people are not paid for their jobs. Underemployment when people are working less than what they are capable of. Which sector has lost its share in GDP but still continues to be largest employer? Primary, right? Tertiary ने GDP में बढ़ाया है लेकिन प्राइमरी अभी भी एम्प्लॉयमेंट सबसे ज्यादा दे रहा है. Next, which of the following measures the proportion of children that die before the age of 1 year as proportion of 1,000 live children born in a particular year? Infant mortality rate. Infant means जो छोटे बच्चे जो पैदा हुए हुए बच्चे होते हैं वो कितनी जल्दी मतलब मर जाते हैं उसको कहा जा रहा है यहाँ पे infant mortality rate before the age of 1 year if they are dying. Dash refers to activities which are undertaken by people with the object of earning money. इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटी, नॉन इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटी जो आप घर में अपना काम कर रहे हैं जिसमें मनी इन्वॉल्व नहीं है किसी भी तरीके से, और ऑर्गेनाइज्ड और अनऑर्गेनाइज्ड एक्टिविटीज ये अलग तरीके से आ जाता है। नरेगा guarantee of 2000 act has guaranteed dash days of employment in a year in many districts of the India. What are the correct number? 100 days of employment. In past 100 years there has been further shift from dash to dash in developed countries. This has become the most important terms of total production. Shift from secondary to tertiary sector. Tertiary sector में बढ़ावा हुआ है. Who among the following fall under the organized sector? Raghu, a daily wage laborer; Purushottam, a cleaning staff; Amini, a tailor stitching clothes; Nafisa, a doctor getting all employment benefits. Sectors are classified into organized and unorganized on the basis of employment condition. किस हिसाब से उन्हें एम्प्लॉय किया जा रहा है उसके बेसिस पे हम ऑर्गेनाइज्ड और अनऑर्गेनाइज्ड सेक्टर कहते हैं. Disguised unemployment occurs when people are working less than what they are capable of. ज्यादा लोग काम कर रहे हैं जिनकी जरूरत नहीं है, तो जो ज्यादा है वो अपनी कैपेसिटी से कम काम कर रहे हैं. Rituraj is employed as a government teacher. Which of the following statement is right about him? He works in secondary sector, he works in private sector, he works in unorganized sector, he works in public sector. Government teacher. So government means public sector. What is double coincidence of want? Both the parties have to agree to sell and buy each other's commodity. दोनों को एक दूसरे की commodity की want होनी चाहिए तभी transaction occur करेगी. This is called double coincidence of want. Since money acts as an intermediate in an exchange process, it is called medium of exchange. It is called medium of exchange. Modern currency is without any use of its own. Then why it is accepted as a medium of exchange? Because it is authorized by the government of the country. Country की government ने कहा है कि आप इसको money की form consider करोगे. Which is an important form in which people hold money? Money lender, post office deposit, mutual. It is bank deposit. सबसे important form है जिसमें people money hold करते हैं. People also have the provision to withdraw the money as and when they require the deposits in the bank accounts to be withdrawn. What are these called? They are called demand deposits. Deposits जो आपके deposits जो आप अपनी डिमांड पे कभी भी विड्रॉ कर सकते हैं, इसलिए इन्हें कहा जाता है डिमांड डिपॉजिट्स. विद दिस वी हैव कंप्लीटेड 7th, 6th एंड 7th सीरीज जिसमें हमने सैंपल पेपर्स के एमसीक्यूज डिस्कस किए हैं. अब शुरू होगा 8th, 9th और 10th जिसमें हम फाइनल एग्जाम्स जो प्रीवियस ईयर्स के हैं क्वेश्चन पेपर्स उनके एमसीक्यूज को डिस्कस करेंगे. टिल देन, गॉड ब्लेस यू ऑल. थैंक यू.